So let's take a look at this Honor robot phone. Normally, how do we take a panoramic photo? We usually select more, then panorama, and then it's a race to see who has the steadiest hand. Everyone should be familiar with that, right? But this robot phone's panorama function is quite interesting. First, I'll raise the lens. Let's go first. The lens rises up for a rear panoramic view. Then there are two modes, a 180-degree mode and a 3x3 grid mode. Let me demonstrate the 180-degree mode first so you can see how it works. Can you stand this? It's being synthesized using an algorithm. How's the effect? Incredibly powerful. Then let's go back. There's a 9-square grid mode. This is even more amazing. Watch this. Here we go. Piecing together, it's in Panoramic Ultra HD mode now. Panoramic Ultra HD complete. Can you handle this? This is 180-degree panoramic mode. This is the 9-grid panoramic mode. The level of detail, the resolution, is that even possible? This thing has a panoramic view. Camera specifications are flagship grade. The rear triple camera system includes a 200-megapixel f1.6 23mm equivalent 4D gimbal main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. The phone is also the first product from the Honor ARRI strategic partnership, bringing ARRI log-C encoding and LUT color grading to mobile video, along with professional cinema workflow features including C-Log, LUTs, focus lock, white balance lock, AE lock, and motion data recording, targeting serious video creators. Honor has unveiled the world's first robot phone at WAIC 2026, a device that fundamentally reimagines the smartphone form factor by integrating a 4-degree of freedom titanium alloy mechanical gimbal system into the phone body. The gimbal enables the camera module to move independently, following subjects, responding to music rhythm, and physically expressing AI output through motion, transitioning smartphones from passive touchscreen tools to proactive, interactive companions. The mechanical gimbal system is the centerpiece innovation. Built from titanium alloy with micromotors 70% smaller than mainstream alternatives, the system achieves CIPA 5.5 level stabilization with 96% walking shake compensation. The camera module can rotate 360 degrees for tracking and supports 90-degree and 180-degree smart motion transitions for cinematic effects. In daily use, the system hides entirely within the phone body, deploying with a single button press when needed.